Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you looking for a creative and engaging platform to share your passions? Meet Lemon8, the ultimate space for content creators. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the basics of using Lemon8 to make your posts stand out. So what is this app? It's a social media platform where aesthetics meets functionality. It's perfect for lifestyle, fashion, travel, and more. Think of it as a blend of Pinterest and Instagram tailored for the creative in you. So how do we get started? Firstly, download the app from your store and sign up. You can use your email or link your social media accounts. After that, tap on categories like food, fashion, or DIY to explore trending content and get inspired. Creating your first post is simple. Tap on the plus icon to create a post. You can upload images, add text, and apply unique templates to make your content pop. Experiment with filters and layouts for a polished look. Tips to gain engagement. Now I'm going to give you a few tips to gain engagement. Use hashtags strategically to reach the right audience. Don't forget to interact with other creators by liking and commenting on their posts. Collaboration is key to growing your presence. After that, check your analytics to see how your posts perform and adjust your strategy to grow your following. Now you know the basics, it's time to start creating. Explore your passions and let Lemon8 bring your creativity to life. Don't wait, download the app and dive in. If this helped you, thank you guys for watching and don't forget to press like if it did, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.